The Christmas story. You know why we give gift for Christmas? We give gift because of Jesus' birthday. One long time ago, one angel tell Mary, say she go have one baby named Jesus. Mary and her husband Joseph, them happy. Them have one whole heap to get ready for the baby. But first, them have to take one long trip go down to Bethlehem. Mary ride upon one donkey and Joseph walk upon him foot. When them get down to Bethlehem, now one whole heap of people did there. Mary and Joseph then tired, but then couldn't find nowhere to put down their head and sleep. Them have to sleep in a one bed of hay when a one old stable with one whole heap of cow and donkey. That night there, Jesus born. Some angel tell the shepherd them, Jesus born. You can't find him laying in a manger. The wise man them follow the star to the stable and baby Jesus. Them bring him one whole heap of gift because they love him. We also give gift for Christmas for sure we love. And we say, Happy birthday, Jesus. Merry Christmas, one and all.